Welcome to Writing Workshop, 4th graders. Here's what we're going to work on today. We continue to work on our learning target of how can I write a personal narrative. So what we have done the last couple days was think of a person who matters to you, then list clear small moments you remember with him or her. Choose one to sketch and then write the accompanying story. Today the strategy we're going to learn is think of a place that matters to you, then list clear small moments you remember there. Choose one to sketch and then write the story. So it could be a place at school. Think of a place at school that maybe is important to you, or maybe it's a place at home. And then, like we've done with the fingers, list 3 moments, write one, or choose one that you're going to do. So me, for instance, I could do my classroom. So I'm going to think of some things from last year. So last year we had the news come to film the story, so that's one small moment. Another one is when my wife brought my son Ben for others to see. And then another is when I came back and told class about my son Ben being born. I'm going to choose the one about the news. So if I was going to do that one, I would sketch that, and then I would write all the details I could about that. So once you have done this step right here, you've listed the small moments, you've done the sketch, you've written the story, then you can think about an object that would spark a memory. So for me, on my desk, I have a picture of my wife and I when we got married, so I would look at that object and I would write about that night. Maybe it's an object at home you have. You could use that to write a story. Maybe it's some award you won or something like that. So for writing today, you're going to write about a place that matters to you and do all these steps here. And then you're going to write about an object.